Go.
Alright, we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge. 1, 2, I'm scared. 3.
Harley, look at Harley's mouth. Harley, you cheat. Ew.
I'm gonna go.
Just to let you know, that's not throw up. That's cinnamon. Ew.
God, I almost threw up.
My name.
Okay.
It's still there.
Okay.
Wait.
Bye, people.
Bye.
Oh my God.